Hi everyone, this is Mamta Pandey from my channel MP Digital Tech. Welcome to all on my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to take you all through the topic name is broken link of front page SEO, and this is video number 13 of front page SEO series. But before of that, I request you all to like, share my video and subscribe my channel too to get update on another topic of digital marketing. So guys, in this video we'll discuss about broken link, what is broken link, and how to find broken link, and how can you fix broken link. So as I have given small description about this broken link in my previous video, types of linking. So as I said, like I'm going to give complete explanation on this topic in my next video. So today I'm going to give complete explanation on this. So first, you can see I have written small definition of it. Let me read it out, this definition for you. A broken link or dead link is a link on a web page that no longer works because the content of page is removed by the publisher. So guys, to explain this definition, I would like to take one example and I would like to explain that example. So suppose you have a website and some festival is coming, and for that festival you are giving some offer to the customer. So what will you do? According to that offer, you will create one page, and obviously if you are creating a page, so one link will be there. So suppose the festival is gone and offer is over now you are not interested to show that offer to the customer. So what will you do? You will just delete that page from your website. So you are deleting the that page from your website. Still that page is indexed on Google. So if you are deleting from your website, even that will be connected to, that link will be connected to Google. So until you are deleting, until you are removing that link from Google index, so it will continue. And suppose if some customer is landing through Google search to that particular link and customer is getting blank, customer is not getting any information just because you have removed that information, so it's a bad impact for you and customer may leave your website. Customer may get fed up because of absence of content on that page. So in such case you are losing customer, and in similar case Google even is losing business, because you are losing business. That means Google is also losing business just because of you. So this is disadvantage, and if you are losing business, so Google will think you are not taking care of your website in good manner. So after a time, what Google will do? Google will remove your website from Google. So it's a really important point, and you need to care about broken link. If broken link are there on your website, so you need to remove, you try to remove all the broken link, or you try to redirect this broken link on another links. Okay, so in second slide we'll discuss how can you find broken link. So here also like two option is there. If website is made on Blogger, so there are some tools given below, by using you can find broken link on your website. So first one is W3C Link Checker. So, guys, you can get many website like this if you Google it. So but I have written over here some few website if you want, so you can try with this website. So first one is W3C Link Checker, second one is broken link checker, and third one is dead link checker. So by using this website, I'm gonna to show how it works, and it's your wish if you want to use another website, so that also you can use, and you can know what are broken link are there on your website. So let's come to one website. Actually I don't have my personal website, so I'm opening these websites to show you how it works. So it's a online shopping website for women and men as well, for clothing. So if you want to check the whole website, you can click here and you can copy the whole URL, this home URL, or else if you want to check some particular page, so particular page you can click and you can copy the link. So I'm going to copy this link, this particular page I want to check. is there any broken link. So I'm just copying this, and here I'm going to paste. Then I'm not putting whole website, so I can take this, then click on check. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes, guys. So I'll do one thing. Till the time, I'll pause my video and I'll come back in some time. So hi guys, as you can see, a result is out over here, and out of 209 URL, 205 URL is fine and 4 URL is failed. So this is what broken link. So what you can do, how can you fix this? So I have written steps, and these are links which are broken links. So these links you have to fix, or else your website won't perform. So in second slide, I'm going to tell you how can you fix. So guys, to fix this link, this broken link, to fix this link, you need to have, like I need to have a login of Google Webmaster Tool or Google Search Console of the website, but right now I don't have, because that's not my website. But anyhow, I have written step over here. If you are doing this process for your own website, so you can do this process, and it's gonna to help you out to remove all these broken links. So how to fix broken link on your blogger? So see, first you can know what are broken link on your website. Then after knowing this, you can come and you can open your Google Webmaster Tool or Google Search Console, and then you just follow this step. So first you need to log in your Google Search Console, then you click on dashboard, then you can get option as Google Index. Then the third option you will get over there, remove URLs. So on that you have to click. Then one option you will get temporary hide, so that you can click, and there you have to paste your URL, whatever URL you want to remove. Like this you can paste there, and then click on continue, and then remove. So after 1 to 2 days, that broken link will be removed from your website. So this is how you can do for the website which is made on Blogger. And if suppose your website is made on WordPress, so if your website is made on WordPress, so another tool is there, and that is a plugin that you have to install for your WordPress account. So first you have to log in your WordPress account, and this plugin you have to install. So you have to first download. So here in next slide I have written steps for this also, how to fix broken link on WordPress website. So first is get login to WordPress account of your website. Then here are the steps you can follow. As I don't have a website on WordPress, so I'm not able to show you practically steps over here, but if you have a website on WordPress with you, so you can follow these steps. First you need to log in WordPress account. Then the second one is you click on dashboard, then click on plugins, then click on add new, then click on search. In right side top you will get one option is search. Then there you can click and type broken link checker. Then you can click on install, then activate. Okay, so this is done. This is install in your WordPress account. Then you have to click on setting. Then after clicking on setting, you will get option as link checker, and then click on status. So in status you will find how many broken link are there on your website. Okay, so this is first one. If once you install this plugin, this broken link checker, if once you install, so from 3 places you can check what are broken link on your website. So first you can follow this step and you can check is there any broken link or not. Then second one is you can click on dashboard. Third one is broken link checker. If you scroll down, so there you will get one option as broken link checker, so there you can check. Then the third one is dashboard. Third one also steps. By using these steps also you can know broken links about your website. So first click on dashboard, then tool, and the next is broken links. So this is how you can know what are broken link on your website. Then how can you fix if your website is made on WordPress? So you have to follow these steps. So suppose from here guys, if you come to know like these are the broken links from the status, if you know these are the broken links, so what will you do? There you will get, you just have to click on broken link, then you will get option as edit URL, then the second one is unlink, then third one is not broken, then D is dismiss, then recheck. So edit URL, if you want to edit the URL, so you can edit the URL and you can redirect that URL to other URLs, so customer should not get blank. Then unlink, the link you have given on the page, that link you can make unlink, so customer should not click that. Then third one is not broken, you can oppose to this, no it's not broken link, like that you can click. Then the third one is dismiss, like sometime we used to get some kind of mail and we don't want to respond to that mail, so we can dismiss that mail, like that your option is there, so you don't want to respond that whatever information you got from status, so you can click dismiss also. And E is like recheck, if you want to recheck like really that link is broken or not, so you want to recheck that link, it's really a broken link or not. So this is how you can fix this issue if your website is made on WordPress. So I hope guys you are clear with this topic, and I really apologize for this because I don't have a website, so I'm not able to show you practically, but I'm working on a website and soon I'm going to show you all this thing practically. So if once my website will get ready, so I'll be able to show all this through practically. So I hope you are clear with this, and if you have any doubt, please ask me through the comment. Thank you all.